Hello everybody. Just wanted to do a quick update. I started washing the car and I realized might as well just film it. It's about 6 months since I last did the ceramic coating on this car. So we're gonna do a 6 months update. I started rinsing it. It was just kind of dusty. So right now we're just gonna go into a contact wash and see what the hydrophobics still look like. Right now on the paint, the microfiber wash pad here is just gliding very smoothly. For the soap, I'm using Bioworx, which is the first time I've ever used this one. So giving it a shot. Let me see if I can bring it in closer, because you can see the coating reject the soap. Now if we start, I'm going to start rinsing off the soap on the hood. Also wanted to highlight that classic Glassy still is going strong on there. Water just flows off, just like the hood. All right, I'm gonna go around and wash the rest of the car, see if I find any weak spots so far, or any spots that have degraded over the last 6 months. I'm still seeing the soap get rejected by the coating on the doors here, on the door. Hopefully you can see how the water just beads and sheds off and comes right off. Same on the glass roof. Same. I thought after 6 months I'd be seeing some weak spots or clogged areas or stuff that needed decon, but right now it's looking pretty good. It feels slick all over the place. And if you remember, if you did see the first videos, I didn't do the bumper. So you see the bumper act a little different here, maybe. Well, we'll see if you can see that. But I don't see it rejecting like the rest of the car is doing. And the slickness is very, very different. A little bit more grabby here. You can see how flat that is. Versus up here, like a bead party. And then the last piece, and I haven't washed these yet, but if you want to show, I notice how hydrophobic water beading on the wheel faces is like. And all 4 wheels are performing identically. So far, seems like a nice protection. So far, it seems like very nice protection from all 3 products. I'm just gonna spritz a little bit with some of the detail spray from Greyscale. I'm just using it as a drying aid. Just a couple of spritz for protection as I'm drying. With that, we'll call it a day. Car is looking pretty good. All the panels seem to be performing just perfect. So I want to thank you for stopping by and watching, and I'll definitely post another update later on, maybe another 6 months. That would give it a year, and back in October. So for now, thank you again, and we'll catch you on the next one.